Flight simulation has become the cornerstone of modern aviation training. Today, we delve into two thriving markets, Asia-Pacific and Europe. What fuels their growth? Who are the key players? And where is the future headed? The Asia-Pacific flight simulator market is set to soar, projected to reach $4,366.6 million by 2034, up from $2,099.7 million in 2024. This impressive growth, at a compound annual growth rate of 7.60%, is driven by a rising demand for trained pilots in burgeoning aviation markets like India and China. Low-cost carriers, expanding defense budgets, and urban air mobility initiatives further propel this expansion. Technological advancements are revolutionizing training in Asia-Pacific. Virtual reality, augmented reality, and artificial intelligence are making simulations more immersive and cost-effective. Leading companies like CAE, L3Harris, and Flight Safety are at the forefront, alongside rapidly growing local players, ensuring that simulation-based training is accessible and cutting-edge. In Europe, the flight simulator market is projected to grow from $1,858.4 million in 2024 to $3,761.8 million by 2034. With a compound annual growth rate of 7.31%. The market thrives on strict regulatory standards enforced by the European Union Aviation Safety Agency, or EASA, which ensures a high demand for certified, high-fidelity simulators. Sustainability is a key focus in Europe, with efforts to reduce carbon emissions through virtual training environments. European leaders like Thales and Axis Simulation are innovating in full-motion platforms and virtual reality-based systems, catering to airlines and defense forces seeking simulators that replicate real-world complexity safely and sustainably. Both regions exhibit robust growth, but Asia-Pacific edges ahead with slightly higher expansion, driven by pilot shortages, defense modernization, and rising air traffic. While Asia-Pacific focuses on scaling capacity, Europe emphasizes standardization, sustainability, and hybrid virtual reality simulation ecosystems. Both regions are rapidly adopting next-generation simulators that blend artificial intelligence, mixed reality, and automation. The next decade will belong to markets that blend scale with sophistication. As pilot demand surges, simulator adoption will grow, not just for planes, but also for unmanned aerial vehicles and electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. For original equipment manufacturers, airlines, militaries, and training institutions, the message is clear. Invest in simulation now, or risk falling behind in the aviation race.